Imagine a luxury sedan so silent it makes your thoughts louder. And yet, beneath that whisper-quiet ride, hides a machine more advanced than you ever expected. This isn't your typical executive car. This is the 2025 Lexus ES, and it's got secrets, big ones. At first glance, it's refined, elegant, and exactly what you'd expect from Lexus. But the moment you sit inside, something feels different, like it's not just a car, it's an experience. So what makes this ES so special? Why are car enthusiasts and executives alike suddenly turning their heads toward a nameplate that's been around for decades? Stay with me, because what's happening under the hood and in the cabin might just change how you think about luxury sedans forever. Let's start with what everyone's talking about: the new design. Lexus didn't go for wild changes. Instead, they refined the ES with surgical precision. The front grille is sleeker, less aggressive than before, but still unmistakably Lexus. The headlamps are sharper, with that signature L-motif LED that looks like it belongs on a sci-fi movie poster. And the rear, subtle chrome accents, a slightly bolder stance, and just enough edge to keep it looking fresh without screaming for attention. But design is just the surface. It's what's beneath that polish that'll make you lean in closer. Lexus decided to double down on their hybrid powertrain for 2025. You've got the ES300h leading the charge, quite literally. Powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with Lexus's latest gen hybrid system, this beauty delivers 215 horsepower with fuel economy figures that feel almost too good to be true. Around 44 miles per gallon combined. And get this, it doesn't feel like a compromise. Acceleration is smooth, and the ride, silky, silent, sophisticated. But wait, what if you want more punch? Lexus has you covered. The ES350, with its 3.5-liter V6 engine, is still here, delivering 302 horsepower, with a buttery-smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. And new for 2025, you now get improved throttle response, refined gear shifts, and an upgraded suspension system that learns your driving style and adapts accordingly. That's right, the car literally gets to know you. The tech inside this car will blow your mind. The centerpiece is the upgraded 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. But it's not just bigger, it's better. Snappy, intuitive. Finally, Lexus ditched the trackpad. Yes, that awful, clunky touchpad is gone. Replaced by a clean, crisp, touch-responsive interface with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And you can talk to it. Literally. Say, "Hey Lexus," and ask for directions, change the temperature, or blast your favorite playlist. No button pressing needed. But let's not ignore the real highlight: the driver assist systems. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 comes standard, and it's not just some fancy name. This suite includes everything from lane tracing assist, road sign recognition, pre-collision braking with pedestrian detection, and adaptive cruise control that doesn't just keep your distance. It learns your driving habits. And here's a fun fact. In internal Lexus tests, the 2025 ES demonstrated a 25% improvement in collision avoidance compared to the previous model. That's not just evolution. That's peace of mind. Now let's talk comfort. Lexus uses something they call Takumi craftsmanship, which is basically code for "we obsess over every stitch." You'll find materials in this cabin that wouldn't feel out of place in a boutique hotel suite. Heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting that adapts to your mood, noise-canceling insulation so effective it feels like you're driving in a bubble. But the good kind. Even the cup holders are redesigned for better grip. It's the little things that make the ES feel alive. Lexus is aiming at a younger audience now. Yeah, the ES is no longer just your boss's quiet commuter. with the F Sport. Design trim. Lexus adds just enough flair to make this sedan feel sporty without losing its luxury soul. Think blacked-out accents, mesh grille, unique 19-inch wheels, and even a sport-tuned suspension. It's not a race car, but it gives the ES a fun, youthful attitude. Now you might be wondering about pricing. Here's where Lexus nails the value game. The base ES 250 AWD starts at around $43,000. That's competitive considering what you're getting. The hybrid 300h, a touch more, but worth every dollar for the fuel savings. And even the fully loaded ES 350F Sport maxes out around the mid-50K range. For a luxury car packed with this much tech, comfort, and reliability, that's a deal. Plus, Lexus throws in a 4-year 50,000-mile basic warranty and 6-year 70,000-mile powertrain coverage. So let's wrap this up. The 2025 Lexus ES isn't trying to shout. It doesn't need to. It whispers luxury, drives like a dream, saves you money at the pump, and has enough tech to keep even the most demanding drivers satisfied.